What's that sound?
Aaron was riding his scooter.
Just heard him screaming, so we just ran out to have a look. One of our uncles said he said it was a cockroach snake. And I said, cockroach, I think it is a cockroach snake.
The bite on his elbow caused his arm to turn purple. Ryan's first aid knife from 20